Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class ninth. Dear students, as you know, we are in touch with the topic mechanical energy. And in the mechanical energy concept, we have discussed it's one of the type of energy that is called as kinetic energy. हमने kinetic energy के बारे में study की, इसकी relation को derive किया, and also our last topic was about the work energy principle, वो हमने discuss किया. Today we are going to shift our topic towards the second part, that is the potential energy. आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक होगा इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी इजी कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. व्हाट इज पोटेंशियल एनर्जी एक्चुअली? ओके बेटा, मैं आपको इससे पहले in order to before discussing this potential energy concept, I will make you understand with a little concept that I am going to show here. Suppose हमारे पास एक बॉल है. This ball is at rest. It's lying on the ground and is at rest. Okay, and is at rest. अब हमारे पास दूसरी बॉल है, हमने दो बॉलें लाई. This is also at rest. That means they both are stable with respect to the ground. Are you getting me? अब इस बॉल को हमने बॉल सेकंड को हमने क्या किया? बॉल सेकंड को हमने रेज किया टू a certain height. Okay, when I raised this ball second, let us suppose this is a ball 1 and this is ball second. I have raised the ball second to some height, to a certain height. Okay, अब इसकी जो पोजीशन है, बॉल सेकंड की जो पोजीशन है, I have changed its position. That means I have changed its position. The ball is now at certain height. Let us suppose that height, at a certain height h above the ground, above the surface of the ground, ball is lying here now. Okay, दोनों before lifting the ball to a certain height, दोनों बॉल की जो लेवल थी वो एक जैसी थी. ओके, दोनों बॉल्स जो थे, those were on the ground. They had little much of energy in them. अब देखो, मैंने जब बॉल 2 को लिफ्ट करा, that means I have applied force over it. And the ball got displaced from one point to the another point. That means when I apply force over the ball and the ball got displaced, that means I have done work. Work is done by the force on the ball. Okay, so work is done by the force, by me on the ball. Okay, अब देखो, इस वर्क की वजह से जो मैंने करी है, इस वर्क की वजह से बॉल लिफ्ट हुई है फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट टू द अनदर पॉइंट. नाउ द बॉल इज लाइंग हियर. ओके, नाउ द बॉल इज लाइंग हियर. देखो बेटा, यहाँ पर हियर द वर्क डन वाज नथिंग. I have not touched even this ball. I have done work done on ball second. With the help of my applied force, the ball got displaced. That means there is some work that has been done by me in lifting the ball from one point, from the ground point to the certain point that is at some height from the surface of earth. This work जो मैंने की है, it has not got wasted. अलबत्ता this work has been transferred. This work जो मैंने की है, it has been transferred in this ball. Okay, and now this work has been stored. This work has been transferred in this ball by lifting it to a certain height h. When I change its position, this work has been stored in this ball. अब जो मेरा वर्क डन है, that has been transferred. That means I am exhausting my energy. I am transferring my energy to this ball. So the transformation of energy in this ball, now at this point अब देखो, यहाँ पे इसकी एनर्जी बहुत कम थी. It was unable to do work. अब जो मैंने वर्क डन किया, that work has been transferred in this ball, and this work has been stored in it. Now this work has been stored in this ball. When I change its position, position. You get me the point. When I change its position, okay, this work that was done by me has been stored in this ball. That means now the ball is capable to do some work. What is capacity of doing work? That is called as energy. So the ball has got certain amount of energy here. Are you getting me? The ball has got certain amount of energy, okay, at this point. That means the ball is able to do work now. When it has got certain amount of energy in it, when I change its position, that energy which has been stored in it, which has been stored in it, are you getting me? So I can say there is the energy that is stored in a body. Due to what? Due to the work done on it. Due to the work done on it by changing its position. By changing in its position. The energy that is stored in this ball, that is called as potential energy. Are you getting me? That is called as potential energy. So what will I write here? This potential energy is the energy actually that is stored in a body. In a body. Due to the work done, जब उसके ऊपर वर्क डन किया हो, उसके बाद जब उसमें एनर्जी स्टोर होती है ड्यू टू द वर्क डन, अब वो कैसे, वो आपको कैसे दिखेगा? व्हेन आई चेंज इट्स लोकेशन, हियर आई एम चेंजिंग द लोकेशन, आई एम चेंजिंग द पोजिशन ऑफ बॉल नंबर सेकेंड, नॉट बॉल नंबर फर्स्ट. Okay, when I change the position of the ball, even when I change the shape of the ball, when I change the position of the ball, position or shape means the configuration, there is the storation of energy in the body due to the work done, due to our work done. By changing its shape, by changing its configuration, that energy is called as potential energy. So what is potential energy? It is the energy possessed by a body. It is the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position. By virtue of its position means when I change its position. जब इसकी पोजीशन में चेंज करूंगा, अब देखो ऑब्वियसली, अब देखो ये जो पेन है, this pen has got little much of amount of energy. I am doing work on it. When I do work on it, I am just lifting this pen above to the paper, above the paper. Okay. Now जो मेरा work done था, that has been stored, that has been stored in this what? In this pen, in the form of an energy. मैंने अपनी एनर्जी ट्रांसफर, एक्चुअली क्या होता है, एक्चुअली मैं एनर्जी जो, मेरी एनर्जी जो होती है दैट इज ट्रांसफर्ड इन दिस पेन. अब देखो पेन में एनर्जी आई है, पेन इज एबल टू डू वर्क, पेन इज एबल टू डू वर्क. आर यू गेटिंग मी? when I supply work, when I supply energy to this, when I transform my energy to this pen, there is a storation of energy in this pen. That storation of energy in this pen, by virtue of what? By virtue of change in the position. I have changed the position of a pen. I have changed the position of a pen. That energy is called as potential energy. That energy is called as potential energy. Okay, so this pen has got potential energy here, not at the top of the paper. It has got energy at some height. At some height means there is a change in the position of a pen. There is a change in the position of the pen, and the pen has got an energy. That energy is called as potential energy. So I will write potential energy like this. देखो अब हम क्या लिखेंगे इसकी definition. Energy possessed in a body, energy possessed in a body due to work done on it. हमने इसके ऊपर वर्क काम किया, अब इस काम की वजह से इस बॉडी में सलाहियत आई. दैट सलाहियत इज टू डू वर्क इज कॉल्ड एज एनर्जी. एंड व्हाट इज दैट एनर्जी? दैट इज कॉल्ड एज पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. Okay, energy possessed in a body due to work done on it for changing its position, are you getting me? Shape, okay, for changing its position, shape or configuration, okay, is called its potential energy. This is the concept of potential energy. So what is potential energy? It's actually the energy that is possessed by the body by virtue of its position. When I change its position, when it change its position, there is the amount of energy that is the amount of work done that is getting stored in it. That means it has a capability of doing work. That work is called as potent that work capability of doing work is called as energy. And what that energy is called, that is called as potential energy. So whenever the body is raised to a certain height, okay beta, when there is a change in the position of the body, there is the amount of energy that is getting stored on it. That energy is called as potential energy. Okay, अब देखो, अगर मैं अब कॉन्फ़िगरेशन की बात करूंगा, कॉन्फ़िगरेशन इन द सेंस, सपोज we have got a spring. Spring is like this. We have got a spring. Okay beta, we have got a spring. It's attached to one end, it's fixed to one end. I am applying the force over this. Okay, I am compressing the spring. देखो बेटा, मैं फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ. So that means I am doing sort of work done, because the displacement of the spring is getting reduced. That means the spring is now getting what, compressed. अब देखो spring में क्या है, अब after applying force, spring is like this. Okay, spring is like, before it was like this. Now when I apply force over it, it's there is a change in the configuration of the spring. There is a change in this configuration of the spring. Okay बेटा, देखो अब इसमें क्या हुआ, आई हैव डन, इसमें क्या हुआ, आई हैव डन द वर्क डन, आई हैव डन वर्क ऑन इट. I have done work on it for changing its position, or for changing its shape. Are you getting me? For initially it was like this, now it becomes like this. There is the amount of work done. There is the amount of work that is done on this spring in order to change its configuration. अब इसमें क्या हुआ, इस बॉडी में क्या होगी, इस स्प्रिंग में क्या है, स्प्रिंग में अब spring is now able to do work. Spring is now capable of doing work. That means spring has stored the work done on it, stored ability. There is a stored ability in the spring, and this stored ability is called as energy. That is called as energy. Which energy? This is called as potential energy. आपने टॉयज में देखा होगा, टॉयज जो वो जो कार्स वाले होते हैं ना, वो जो कार जो बाइक वाइक वगैरह जो टॉयज के होते हैं, जब उनमें क्या होती है, जब व्हेन आई डू द उस उनमें की लगी होती है, उनमें जब की लगी होती है, व्हेन आई जस्ट मूव दिस की, जब मैं की लगाता हूँ उसको, आई जस्ट टर्न द स्प्रिंग, देयर इज द चेंज इन द कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ द स्प्रिंग. एक्चुअली मैं स्प्रिंग को कंप्रेस कर रहा हूँ. व्हेन आई कंप्रेस द स्प्रिंग, अब देखो मेरे फोर्स छोड़ने, व्हेन आई रिमूव द अप्लाइड फोर्स, दिस स्प्रिंग, उससे पहले मेरी फोर्स की वजह से उस स्प्रिंग में क्या आती है, दैट इज द एनर्जी. कौन सी एनर्जी? पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. नाउ दैट पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इज, दैट स्प्रिंग इज कैपेबल ऑफ डूइंग वर्क. अब देखो, जब एज सून एज आई रिमूव द अप्लाइड फोर्स और द की, द टॉय बिगिंस टू मूव. एक्चुअली क्यों होता है ऐसे? स्प्रिंग में एनर्जी स्टोर होती है, काइनेटिक एनर्जी स्टोर होती है. उस काइनेटिक एनर्जी की वजह से वो टॉय जो है वो मूव कर जाती है. ओके, that is the concept. This is the concept of potential energy. Okay, so I'll make you understand again. This is the what is called potential energy. Actually, potential energy is the energy that is stored in a body by virtue of its position or configuration. Okay, by virtue of its change in position, change in location, or change in the configuration of the body, that is called as what? Potential energy. Okay.